The Klearlook Adjustable Keyboard Tray stands out for its flexible mounting system that works either above the desk or tucked underneath, so it adapts easily to different setups and furniture styles. Its sit-stand-friendly arm offers generous horizontal rotation, vertical adjustment, and tilt, letting you fine-tune typing height and angle to ease neck and shoulder tension during long sessions. A cushioned wrist support runs along the front edge of the tray, which makes extended typing noticeably more comfortable and helps reduce strain on your hands and forearms. The platform is wide enough to hold a full-size keyboard and mouse side by side, and the integrated mouse surface tracks smoothly for both office work and gaming. Thoughtful extras like a small pull-out drawer, a slot to park your phone upright, and a hook for hanging headphones help keep your desktop clear and essentials within easy reach. The sturdy metal arm and solid tray feel reassuringly stable in use, and when you are done working, you can simply swing or slide the whole assembly out of the way to reclaim desk space.